So if you have an 855D, this is a 2016 model, if you have no headlights and this vehicle has no turn signals, but the turn signal arrows are lit up, if you have no headlights and no brake lights, we have the fix. Here's the fix, the headlight fix for your JD 855. Nobody else seemed to be able to repair this. The dealer didn't know what's going on. You Google this and nobody knows what's going on, except there's all kinds of headlights out there for sale. So, open the hood and here's a connection. Here's a headlight connection right here. Now, I've repaired this. Here's half of the connector. These two wires had overheated at this connection, and the other day Cupcake had asked, "Hey, what's that smell?" Well, here it is. You'll note too that the connector here, it's probably the wrong kind because the only thing holding it together is a zip tie. So I can't say for sure if John Deere did that at the factory or somebody else did after the fact. We didn't, but there it is. Here are the old burned connectors, and now with a new easy repair, you are good to go. New connectors, we'll plug those in. The lights are out. The headlights are on. Sweet, there's your fix, free.
Hey Bernie, where's your John Deere hat?
Oh, that's a really good question, Cupcake. Well, when we're running the Gator here, I have my John Deere hat on. But when I'm fixing it, I put on my Snap-on hat. So as soon as I'm done, well, actually we're finished now with the repair that was so easy and so quick. I didn't even have to buy the terminals because I had them in stock. So I'm going to take my hat off, my Snap-on hat, and I'm going to put on my John Deere hat and go for a run through the gears.